Hello everyone. In this talk today, I'll going to be talking about the digital transformation that we did for one of our PSPs, essentially a payment gateway that collects a lot of data around the shopping habits of different customers across different merchants online. We leverage that data to build a proxy for credit score primarily, especially in the India market, because we do not have very credible CIBIL scores and other kind of scores that are generally available in developed countries such as US, like FICO score, etc. We'll walk through different stages of data collection, data storage, data architecture, and then on top of that, applying machine learning models, essentially regression modeling and classification to segment our customers in high risk, medium risk, and low risk, and then offering them one of it kind products in the Indian market for checkout credit, instant credit, using a PayLater product. In this talk, we are going to talk about two major scaling incidents that happened during the lifetime of this project. One was the merger and acquisition of two payment gateways that led to substantial increase in number of transactions that we saw, and the architecture that we had built on top of AWS was able to handle it very easily and scale very well. And next is the demonetization that was announced in November of 2016, and again that led to a severe spike in number of transactions. And both of these incidents were taken care of very well with the data architecture that we had put in place to handle, a pay later kind of a product, leveraging wealth of information that we collect on a payment gateway, creating a proxy for a credit score using the RFM analysis. And we're going to talk about the key technology challenges. How did we put together an architecture? How did we scale it?